In this video, we're going to take a look at inserting new slides into a PowerPoint slideshow in PowerPoint 2016. So we have the business project plan template up here, and we're on slide number 1. And usually if you want to insert something, that's on the Insert tab, and it is. We've got options here for new slides, and it looks like we've got about 11 different options. But because that's something you do so often in slideshow, it is also up here on the Home tab. So most of the time you're going to be inserting stuff from the Home tab. So let's take a look at new slide. I've got slide number 1 selected. If I click on new slide now, and let's say we want a title and a content slide. Normally when you insert something, you've got something selected, that gets pushed down, but that's not the way it is with inserting a slide in PowerPoint. It goes after whatever you have selected. If you want to insert something before the first slide here, you have to click above and then go to new slide, and this time we'll do a section header, and now that one goes in above. We've got some other options here. We'll just take a look at them. We don't need to look at the alternate section header. Let's do to content, and we get a text box on the left, a text box on the right, and room for a title up here. And we have 6 different things that we can put in the text box. Now these aren't the only things, these are just some common things, and so Microsoft has put icons out here to make it easy for us. We could just as easily go up here and go to the Insert tab, and let me see, there's a table. So right here is the table. Insert a chart, here's the chart. Smart Art, here's the Smart Art. Pictures, here's the pictures. Online pictures, and here's the online pictures. And the last one here is Insert a Video, and the video icon is over here. But there's a whole bunch of other things we can do as well. Microsoft just decided to put these 6 things here. So you can insert a slide. And I think the best way to do it is just click between the slides, and then you know exactly where the slide's going to go when you insert it. You'll get a little horizontal line here showing you where the new slide's going to go. And a couple of other things related to a slide here on the Home tab. If you have a slide selected, you can change the layout. So right now this is a section header. Let's say I want to change it to title and content. I could do that, and that's all there is to it. If you go in here and click reset, so let's say that I have, made some changes here, and I decide I want to start over, I can click on reset, and it will take me back to the original layout of the slide. There's also an option here to duplicate some slides, so you can select them first and then duplicate them. So I just duplicated the one I had selected. But it's just as easy to do a Control-C and a Control-V for that, I think. Slides from outline is something I don't think you're going to use very often. Reuse slides, if you click on that, it'll open up a dialog box with a Browse button. And what it allows you to do is take slides from another slideshow and insert them into this slideshow. So if you want to reuse something from an earlier show, you can do it that way. Of course, another way to do it is just open up the 2 slideshows in PowerPoint, and go to the first slideshow and select the slides you want to copy them to the clipboard, and then go to the other slideshow and then just paste them in. So that's how inserting slides works in PowerPoint 2016.